I'm Louisa and this is Corinne, and we're from Neat Method in New York. Today we're at the Real Simple home and we're going to walk you through the pantry. We organize the space in the kitchen for the family that would live here. So the first thing to do when you're organizing a pantry is to pull out your food and separate it by categories.
Then you'll want to decide where those categories should live. So here we did baking at the top, probably an adult using that, so we kept that up high. Down here we have snacks, which are easily accessible to everyone in the home, as well as breakfast. And then we have drinks at the bottom, which are heavy, so you don't want to lift them up high. And then they also are just like a backstock item, so you're just replenishing your fridge and you don't need to access them every day.
When choosing your products, choose items that are going to work with the whole family. So for these canisters, for example, we chose an acrylic product. It's just a lot more durable, it's not going to break.
And then for larger categories that you want to put in bins, you just want to measure your space, know the dimension, and then purchase bins that will maximize that space. So this pantry is pretty narrow and very deep. So we chose bins that are similar to that dimension. So then you're utilizing the space, and then whatever's in the back you can get to easily without digging through.
We used a variety of stickers and hanging tags for the different containers we have in here, but it's just really important to add the labels so that everyone in the family knows what's in the pantry.
And then lastly, Neat Method loves to make your organization an extension of your home. So we bring that design aesthetic into the space as well. So when you open those doors, it feels like a continuation of your home and you want to keep it as neat and orderly as the rest of your home. And it just makes it fun.